I'm Marna, this is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I have fun and good friends. I came up with the stupidest idea, and the more I thought about it, I thought, you know what, let's do it. I came up with the idea to take these Blythe necklaces. They came on a chain, which is kind of long. And I did send this out too, but I'll bet you're going to see different chains. I came up with this silly idea to make clothing for the necklace. How would you put it on the doll? I mean, the hair is in the way. Well, that's the thing. There's a lot of ways that could be done. Two-sided tape, sticky tack, magnets is what I thought would be a good idea. And God love Darren, he bent over backwards to try to make this magnet work on the back side. We have these really strong magnets, but you can see how thick this is. And even with those strong magnets, and they couldn't, you couldn't put 4 on it because it's small and it can't be too heavy. In fact, I'm worried about the knot in the back. He got the magnet on there and it clicked to some stuff, but when I went and got the snaps, which I was going to sew to the back of the little outfits, no. I had bought some little bead magnets, but if you look at the outfits I made, to put that on the back, I mean, we're talking impossible here. Well, okay, it would be possible, but it would take quite a long time. So the first thing I did was make my patterns. And then I drew around them and put fray check and or glue on the back of those to make them more stiff. So the ladies that I'm talking about that joined in are J Dolls UK, Beth Ramsden, and Peacecraft Dolls with Tammy Polly. They are some of YouTube's best. I'm telling you, don't miss their videos because I'm sure that these ladies are really going to come up with some fun outfits for this necklace. The idea is, or I asked these ladies to do, I still can't believe they said yes, is to make a paper doll out of the necklace, but use fabric to attach the clothes, or to make the clothes, and they have to attach long enough to put the necklace on. Notice I have a braid today. I took some of the beautiful beads that Jamie, let's talk about it with Jamie, and I put them on a stretch cord. I'm sure Terry from the Tapping Flamingo is like, what did you do? But I did the best I could, Terry. If you don't watch Jamie or Terry's channels, go take a look. Anyway, that was the idea. You could add anything you wanted. You could crochet, you could knit, you could use fabric. You could wire it on. You could do this any way you wanted. But you had to make 3 to 6 outfits. So let's see if mine stick on the way we tried and still go over my head. The first thing I did, I freehanded the little patterns because I couldn't, when I draw my patterns, sewing patterns, I take a piece of paper and I put it over the pattern. I put it up in the window, yes, in the window, and I draw around it. And then I don't cut my patterns, they're so thin. And I have a pattern I can use over and over. Well, there was no way to see through that, so I freehanded. And this one I embroidered because I went and got beads, and even seed beads were too big. I mean, they just looked gigantic. I did an embroidered belt here. I was going to do beads. Darren said, how about glitter? So I went and got my glitter glue pen, and I did these, and I I set these up on the table, the kitchen counter that you're looking at, to dry. And I told Darren, don't even walk past those quickly, because if they blow away, I will never find them. So let's try the Loctite tack that we made a special trip to Walmart yesterday because I had come to wit's end and I knew this was my last opportunity. We're using this no fuss, no mess idea. Yeah, it's like me with the glue gun in it. All right, let's see. I'm going to take this first little Halloween dress and I'm going to put it on my little girl. Press it down. Now, I have to be able to get it on and wear it with the... See, I had to put my glasses on. It's so small.
It's like chewing gum.
Number 1 worked, yes?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Still there.
Okay, let's try number 2. Woo, don't let my elastic or my knot break. All right, so we'll take this no mess. Oh, it's stuck. Cool. Maybe it'll stay there for this. And we'll take her little Catholic girl outfit, school outfit, and we will press it on. It's a little long, but it's cute. I'm sure Beth Ramsden's making shoes and hair bows. I did not. Oh, who knows? Tammy and Jay, they're right up there too. They may have done the same. Okay, is it still on?
Still there.
All right, there's my little Catholic girl thing. All right, 2 more, 2 more. This was a challenge. These were not easy to make. They were not easy to figure. Oh, that came off nice. I have this little fall print with a little drop belt I did in the red glitter. Let me scoot that over a little bit. Oh, it's covering her mouth. Yeah, we don't want that. So that's her little fall flower and drop belt. Will this one go on? Who knows? Ladies, you are the best. You are the best sports. You are so fun.
Oh, it came off.
Oh, no.
It's stuck to you. Your dress. Now it's on the table.
Okay, let's try it again. Maybe I need to change the... Oh, no, I didn't press it down. That's what I didn't do. Now, on?
Yeah, it's still there.
Okay, that's 3.
It's kind of turned sideways now, but... Oh, now you got it...
Backwards?
Backwards.
There we go, there we go.
Yep.
Okay, 1 more. 1 more. Hang on, beads. Hang on, girl. So I like things that are different. I like to come up with ideas for video that no one else is trying to do or no one else is silly enough to do. And this really was fun. Okay, this is
They're embroidered.
Embroidered. So I got to pull this down because I couldn't make a knot in the back or it would like stick out, well, you know, like the front. So I need to watch where I put that one and press down. And ladies, do we have 4 at the Kazmaier house?
Backwards?
Oh, there we go. There we go. And it even shows.
Yay!
Yay! 4! Woohoo! I did it! Ladies, Tammy from Peacecraft Dolls with Tammy Polly, J Dolls UK, and Beth Ramsden. You guys are the best. You are fun, you are talented, and I cannot believe some of the things that you will do, including this. Actually, I had a lot of laughs with this one from the time I got it in the mail, the little necklace itself, all the way down to today. So there she is. I think these little necklaces are cute, cute, cute as is. I put the traditional Blythe beads on there and made a video. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Please leave a like, comment for sure. and subscribe.